Steel Authority of India Limited has taken a significant step towards sustainable steel production with the introduction of a new CO2 dashboard at its Rourkela steel plant. The initiative is designed to strengthen the plant's decarbonization strategy by enabling real-time tracking and analysis of carbon emissions across its operations. DMRC has commenced construction work at the Central Secretariat Metro Station for the upcoming Central Vista Corridor, marking a major milestone in the expansion of Delhi Metro's network in the heart of the national capital. The project is being developed under Phase 5A as an extension of the existing Magenta line from Janakpuri West to RK Ashram Marg. Hindustan Copper Limited and Engineers India Limited have signed a memorandum of agreement to strengthen their long-standing partnership and support India's growing focus on copper, critical minerals and rare earth resources. Under the agreement, HCL will engage EIL for consultancy, engineering, project management, safety and integrity studies, sustainability initiatives, and advanced technical solutions across its operations. Bharat Dynamics Limited has secured fresh orders worth approximately 1,347.71 crore rupees from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, further strengthening its position in India's growing indigenous defense manufacturing ecosystem. According to the disclosure, the total order value includes Helena launchers and line replaceable units valued at 1,109.37 crore rupees. Countermeasure dispensing system LRS worth 238.34 crore rupees. Engineers India Limited has completed 6 decades of engineering excellence, delivering over 7,000 assignments and more than 600 major projects valued at over $200 billion across hydrocarbons, project management, consultancy, and sustainable energy sectors. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has invited bids through the government e-marketplace portal for the procurement of 80,000 welding electrodes for its central foundry forge plant located in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. The tender was published on June 24, 2026, with the bid submission deadline scheduled for July 4, 2026 at 2 p.m. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited continues to deepen its relationship with one of the most important stakeholders in the lubricant business, mechanics, through its flagship engagement program, MAK Manthan. Launched in 2015 by the lubricants headquarters, MAK Manthan has evolved into a powerful platform for building trust, strengthening partnerships, and enhancing knowledge among mechanics across India. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has released the findings of its independent drive test conducted along the Manoharpur to Dausa section of National Highway 148 in Rajasthan, revealing significant differences in mobile network performance among telecom operators operating on the route. In a significant boost to India's clean energy sector, NHPC Limited and Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited have signed a power purchase agreement for the supply of electricity from NHPC's upcoming 260 megawatt Dulhasti Stage 2 hydroelectric project located in the Kishtwar district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Bharat Coking Coal Limited organized a special vigilance awareness session at its Koila Bhavan headquarters on Wednesday under the theme Mission CIL at 2026 Reform, Transform, Perform and Inform, reaffirming the company's commitment to transparency, integrity and good governance.